Before we get into new rigging systems and you going out and trying something for the first time, I want to go back and go over some fundamentals in rappelling that will save your life someday and one of your friends' lives. And it's very important that you go through some sort of process before getting on rappel. As you can see in canyoneering, some of the rigging systems can be a little confusing and you may have more than one rope going down the pitch. So coming up with a process that the V7 Academy refers to as a technical process is a good way to ensure you're going to be safe in a canyon. Ideally, the rigging manager will have identified some sort of attachment point when they do their rigging. It's nice to have a different colored carabiner or something that's distinctly different, that's easy to see, that the people in the group know, often referred to as a master carabiner. The first thing that I want to do when I step up to the pitch, if I'm not coming off of a traverse or hand line, is clip into that. Ideally, if you're not sure, ask the rigging manager and they'll tell you where to clip into. But that's the first thing I want to do, is secure myself with a personal attachment system that should be made out of a dynamic rope or lanyard of some kind designed for this purpose. So I'm going to clip in. Second thing I'm going to do is load up my rappel device. I'll load up my rappel device and then choose my preferred friction mode. And I want to pull up on that rappel device until my lanyard is slack, and then do some sort of hard lock or soft lock on my device and settle into the anchor. And you can see things starting to move, but this ensures that the rope system is safe before disconnecting myself from the anchor. This really does prevent a potential fall if something were to go wrong here. So I test the system first. Once I'm satisfied with the system, I can remove my personal attachment anchor. Then unlock my device and continue on my rappel. Off rope. A key thing to point out here is using locking carabiners in a draw type configuration makes a big difference. I don't want to use a standard quick draw that has non-locking carabiners. I want to be sure that it's going to hold and I'm not going to have somebody have a fatal accident. So here's a few things to keep in mind when going out and starting to rig for your first time. Using the technical process, using locking carabiners, and backing up your systems. For more information on this, check out the V7 Online Academy. It goes over a great level 1 course that has all this information and more to go out on your first canyon, and the best part, it is free. So check it out.